Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to cook garlic, beef, bell pepper, mushroom stir fry. This dish is so healthy and tasty. Hope you will like it. So now let's start cooking. We first need to cut the bell pepper into small pieces. We also need some mushrooms. Now cut the beef into small cubes. Add 1 spoon of cooking wine, half teaspoon of salt, some black pepper. Mix well and let the beef marinate for 10 minutes. Prepare a pan and add some butter to it. When the butter melts, add the beef into the pan. Stir fry until the beef is half cooked. Take the beef out from the pan. There is no need to clean the pan. Add some garlic directly. Stir fry until the garlic becomes slightly brown on the outside. Now add the pepper and mushroom into the pan. Stir fry until the mushroom becomes soft. Then put the beef back into the pan. Stir fry to warm up the beef. For the seasoning, we need half a teaspoon of salt, 1 spoon of soy sauce, some extra black pepper. Mix well. Turn off the heat and it is ready. This is today's cooking recipe. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you like my cooking recipes, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot and I'll see you guys soon.